guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you all a lovely recipe which is most popular in all Sindhi houses. It's called Lola. All the Sindhis throughout the year, it's a sweet dish and they love it. I've learnt it from my mom and very easy to make. The trick is you have to take exact measurements. I'm going to show you all. Now I'm going to show you the recipe. It's very easy. This is a sugar syrup. I have made it 2-3 hours before. Just soak the sugar in the water and it becomes like this. Little khaskhas, elaichi danas, wheat flour and ghee. And most important thing in this recipe is 1 cup atta, half a cup sugar and half a cup ghee. That is the proper recipe for all the sweet dishes. I'm going to start the preparations. Take atta, put it in the sugar syrup. These are 4 elaichi danas. Little khashkhash. Khashkhash is optional. And half a cup of ghee. Leave little ghee to put it while making it. Now I'm going to make the dough out of this. See the consistency of atta. Now I'm going to bellow it. You have to keep it little thick only. And even the tawa which you are taking, it has to be a thick tawa. And you have to cook it on medium or slow fire for 8 minutes one side and 8 minutes another side, and your amazing cookie is ready. Now I'm going to roast it on the tawa. Put little ghee on a slow medium fire. You roast it 6 to 7 minutes one side and 6 minutes other side. Now one side we have cooked it 5 to 6 minutes. Now slowly I'm going to turn it. First take it out on the thali and then put it. I'll show you how. For medium fire, slowly go on sequencing it. Pour little ghee and seco it other side. Keep turning it so that it doesn't burn and it becomes nice and brown. And lovely smell is coming all over the house, aroma. And again, because this part is not cooked still very well. See, wow, this is the right way. It has to be brown like this. This brown part, which is little overcooked, it will be tasting just like a crisp, nice biscuits. See, it's all ready. It's nice and brown, crisp from outside and very soft from inside. I hope you all like it. Please give me a feedback in a comment section. Bye for today. See you all with my next video.